you make a girl fall in love with you for free. Disclaimer, she gotta like you a little bit already. Number 1, make her go run errands with you. When you do that, you give her a taste of how life would be with you. Number 2, only text her once a day randomly because you know she gotta miss you a little bit. Number 3, you gotta break that touch barrier. So when you're with her, put her hair behind her ear or touch her face. Number 4, notice something nice that she just did. Fresh set of nails or new hair. Now you're paying attention to her. Number 5, have her favorite liquor at your house because now you're a good listener. Number 6, open her fucking doors. I know we got hands, but you set yourself apart because nobody is doing that and now you're a fucking gentleman. Number 7, stare at her closely, but don't kiss her. Now in her mind, she's gonna be like, yo, why the fuck he is not kissing me? Number 8, share a secret with her. I'm not telling you a real secret. You can kind of lie. But now she feels special because she thinks you're not sharing that secret with other bitches. Also, you come off as someone who is in touch with his emotions. Number 9, be nice to kids when you're around her because now she's gonna see you as a potential dad. And number 10, take her home, but don't fuck her. Start playing video games. Start doing other shit. Start talking to her. Because that's gonna fuck her up. She's gonna be like, what the fuck? You don't wanna fuck me? And right there, you set yourself apart. So all of these 10 things, free. Now she's in love. I hope you're ready. Because you know, when they're in love, be ready.